Hey, it's me. I wanted to show you something. Something that I haven't, and nor has many of my friends seen in a long time. This. I went grocery shopping. Well, I ordered groceries online. And they just came, and I actually have food in my refrigerator. This is a rarity. Look at that. Now this doesn't look as full as I thought, but that's better than I've had in a long time. Nice stuff. Basically, I did my taxes a while ago, and I did okay money-wise last year. I don't have any. So I was wondering where most of it went, and I think most of my money goes to going out. And since I haven't grocery shopped in a long time, for the last year or so, basically I order out for everything. I go out to eat for lunch, if I have lunch. Go out to eat for dinner or order in every single day. So I'm gonna try to keep up with the groceries at home, and I don't really cook, but I'm gonna try to just eat, and I really don't eat anything that requires a lot of cooking anyway. Maybe just my stovetop, really. So yes, that was it. I have to start eating in a little more. And even eating breakfast and lunch a little more too. To be a little healthier as well. And probably a lot of my money also goes to drinking out, or going out and buying drinks and stuff. I think that's what it is. Eating out, alcohol at the clubs or bars, and parking tickets. So I'm gonna work on that. Yeah. It's just everybody goes out to eat all the time. It's a social thing. I'm just trying to be friendly. Well, that's it. Nothing new. Nothing at all. Those are my magnets of places I've been. And I know I'm missing like all of them, but I just started to remember to save them. I even got my cat some food. The fuck out of my face.